Hello nail friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariana and today video will do almond shape and fall nail art design. If you are a beginner or even an experienced nail technician, like and subscribe to my channel because every week is coming new educational video that will help you to do long-lasting nails and will boost up your business. Step number 1, I'm starting with product removal. I'm using a ceramic bead, green band at speed 30,000 RPM. If you want to find out more information about product removal, about what speed, what type of the bead should you choose, I have a detailed and step-by-step video tutorial on my channel. You'll find down below in description direct link. I'm buffing the nail plate and I have removed the free edge because here I will do the nail extension, and I can see at my online shaping course that is a common mistake where you're starting to do the nail extension and the free edge is not removed. So I'm assuming if you're seeing this video, take notes and remove the free edge. The free edge length should be maximum half millimeter. And by the way, if you want to improve your skills on shaping and speed, you feel free to join my upcoming shaping course. The same links I will attach down below. Product application, I'm starting with primer, then with rubber base coat and a builder gel. All products what I'm using are from Egoista, and in description box you can find links for our online store and same a coupon code for the best price. I cure on a lamp the rubber base coat for 30 seconds, then I do the form placement. I prefer to do form placement after I'm applying the base coat because this way I increase the level of adhesion of the nail plate, and even if I touch the nail plate with my finger in the process of placing forms, this is helping me to avoid any lifting in the future. For extension, I always work in 2 layers. And first layer, I just extend the free edge, and the second layer, I do the nail structure. I'm starting to do the fun and the creativity part, nail art, is right. In today's video I will do an ombre, which I think is a nice design for any season, and I will use orange just because to be kind of fall nail art design and to blend the color more easily. So I rotate the client hand upside down and I blend from the free edge toward the cuticle. At cuticle, I'm applying platinum gel and I will blend it toward the free edge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Every week is coming new educational video, and share with me your thoughts about this nail art design. How much do you like it? And also if you have any questions or suggestions for upcoming video. After I have blended the platinum gel, I said, oh no, I don't like it. It's too much sparkle. We're not ready on Christmas season. So I decided to apply a thin layer of makeup rubber base, which is a milky white. This way I can cut down that too much sparkle from platinum gel, and I really like the effect which is creating milky white ombre. The same I have in my channel, a detailed video tutorial how to do a milky ombre, just in case if you struggle with that. I seal everything with matte top coat. I cure in a lamp for 1 minute and design is ready. And I thought, okay, something is missing. Let me add a little bit black accent, and I'm just using here my favorite liner brush and black gel paint. So Egoista gel paint doesn't have a dispersion layer, and I can use it before or after top coat. So if you're using any gel paints which is having a sticky layer, remember that you must cover them with the top coat, but not on my case. And here to keep these black lines black, so I'm applying clear acrylic powder and I cure in a lamp for 1 minute. Please let me know in the comments if you like this nail art idea. Have a great nail day and see you next week in another video.